Ever wondered if at-home hair regrowth systems actually deliver on their bold claims, or if they're just another pricey gimmick? NovaMane promises to stop shedding, reactivate dormant follicles, and thicken hair in just weeks using a drug-free, hormone-free microinfusion treatment you can do yourself, but the reality is a bit more nuanced. First off, the system is impressively transparent about its ingredients, which are all natural and clearly listed, and the instructions are straightforward, making it easy for anyone to follow without medical supervision. The concept of a non-drug approach is appealing, especially for those wary of hormonal treatments or prescription options, and on paper, it sounds like a convenient solution for thinning hair. That said, while the idea is promising, the marketing can feel over the top with flashy claims and miracle results that might set unrealistic expectations. Another aspect worth noting is the limited customer support, which could be frustrating if you encounter issues or have questions about using the system effectively. Even more, some of the glowing reviews on the website appear almost too perfect, raising questions about how unbiased the feedback really is. In practice, results seem to vary widely from person to person, and while some users may notice subtle improvements, others might not see meaningful changes, at least not as quickly as advertised. Overall, NovaMane presents an interesting, low-risk approach to hair care that might fit into a regular self-care routine, but it's important to manage expectations and approach it with realistic goals rather than assuming it will be a miracle cure. For anyone curious about trying it, the system is easy to integrate into daily life, but the combination of aggressive marketing and mixed results suggests that it's worth doing more research, considering alternative options, and perhaps keeping an eye on independent reviews before investing too heavily.